Want to make money on YouTube without showing your face? In this episode of Internet Paydays, we're diving into the world of faceless YouTube automation. You'll learn how to create videos using AI, royalty-free content, and automation tools, so you can build a profitable YouTube channel from anywhere with zero on-camera presence. We'll walk through the exact steps, tools, and income strategies to get started. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete roadmap to launch your first faceless channel and start earning passive income within 30 days. Why faceless YouTube works? Faceless YouTube channels work because they focus on content, not personalities. This approach removes the biggest barrier most people face, camera shyness and the fear of being judged online. But you can stay completely anonymous while still building an audience, monetizing with ads, and stacking affiliate commissions on top. What types of channels to start? Here are some proven niche ideas for faceless channels, along with estimated monthly earnings potential. High-earning niches, personal finance and investment tips, $8,000 to $25,000 per month. Covers, budgeting, investing, side hustles. AI tool reviews and tutorials, $5K to $15K per month. Productivity and life hacks, $4,000 to $12,000 per month. Time management, organization systems. Consistent performers, top 10 lists. Tech, travel, animals, history, $3,000 to $10,000 per month. Motivation and self-improvement, $2,000 to $8,000 per month. Health and wellness tips, $3,000 to $9,000 per month. Trending opportunities, cryptocurrency and NFT education, $5,000 to $18,000 per month. Remote work and digital nomad content, $3,000 to $10,000 per month. Sustainable living and minimalism, $2,000 to $7,000 per month. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm content calendars and niche-specific video titles. Ask it generate 50 video titles for your niche YouTube channel focused on beginners. This gives you 3+ months of content ideas immediately. Tools to automate the workflow. Let's break down the essential tools that make faceless YouTube possible, including costs and specific use cases. Content creation stack. ChatGPT Plus, $20 per month. Script writing, title generation, SEO optimization, thumbnail copy, Claude or Gemini, free options. Alternative AI for varied writing styles and research. Canva Pro, $15 per month. Thumbnail design, end screens, channel art, social media graphics. Pictory, $20 to $47 per month. Turn scripts into full videos with AI and stock footage. Loom, free $8 per month. Screen recording for tutorial content, to audio and voice. 11 Labs, $5 to $22 per month. Premium AI voiceover generation with natural voices. Epidemic Sound, $15 per month. Royalty-free background music library, video editing. DaVinci Resolve, free. Professional-grade editing software. Adobe Premiere Pro, $23 per month. Industry standard for advanced editing. Analytics and management, YouTube Studio, free. Upload management, analytics, and optimization. TubeBuddy, $9 to $49 per month. SEO optimization and keyword research. vidIQ, $7.50 to $39 per month. Total monthly investment, $50 to $150 for a complete professional setup. These tools help streamline the entire process from idea to final video without needing a camera or microphone. How to create a video, detailed step-by-step. Phase 1, research and planning, 15 to 20 minutes. 1. Keyword research. Use TubeBuddy or vidIQ to find trending topics in your niche. 2. Competitor analysis. Study top-performing videos in your space. Note their titles, thumbnails, and structure. 3. Title creation. Use ChatGPT with this prompt. Create 10 click-worthy YouTube titles about topic that include the keyword main keyword. Phase 2. Script development, 20 to 30 minutes. 4. Script writing. Ask ChatGPT. Write a 1,200-word YouTube script about topic in an engaging conversational tone. Include a hook in the first 15 seconds, 3 main points, and a call to action. 5. Script optimization. Break the script into 8 to 12 scenes for better visual variety. Hook refinement. Ensure your first 15 seconds promise clear value and create curiosity. Phase 3. Visual production, 30 to 45 minutes. 7. Import to Pictory/InVideo. Paste your script and select relevant stock footage. 8. Scene customization. Replace generic footage with niche-specific visuals. 9. Text overlays. Add key points as on-screen text for better retentions. Transitions. Use smooth transitions between scenes. Fade, slide, and zoom. Phase 4. Audio production. 15 to 20 minutes. AI voiceover. Generate narration using 11 labs with consistent voice settings. Background music. Add royalty-free music at 15 to 20% volume, phase 5. Final assembly, 20 to 30 minutes. Export settings, 1480p MP, 4 format for optimal YouTube quality. Thumbnail design. Create 3 thumbnail variations in Canva using bright colors and clear text. SEO optimization. Write description with keywords, timestamps, and relevant hashtags. Advanced monetization strategies. Primary revenue streams. AdSense revenue. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, typical earnings, $2 to $5 per 1,000 views. Finance business niches, $8 to $15 per 1,000 views. Strategy. Focus on 8+ minute videos for mid-roll ads. Affiliate marketing. Promote tools and products you mention. Software tools, 20 to 50% commissions. Canva, Pictory, ChatGPT+. Online courses, 30 to 50% commissions. Udemy, Skillshare, Masterclass. Sponsored content, once you reach 10,000 plus subscribers. Typical rates, $100 to $500 per 10,000 views. Negotiate long-term partnerships for stable income. Channel memberships and super, thanks, additional YouTube monetization. Offer exclusive perks to paying subscribers. Monthly recurring revenue potential. Multiple channel strategy. Scale with additional channels. Different niches, same systems and tools. Potential to 5 times your income within 12 months. Scaling your faceless empire. Once your first channel gains traction, consider these scaling strategies. Team building. Hire virtual assistants for script writing, video editing, thumbnail design, channel management. Content repurposing. Turn one video into multiple formats. YouTube shorts from highlights. Instagram posts and stories. Twitter threads with key points. Blog posts for SEO traffic. Podcast episodes, audio-only versions. Analytics. Optimization. Focus on metrics that matter. Click-through rate, aim for 8% plus. Average view duration, aim for 50% plus. Subscriber conversion rate, aim for 5% plus. Revenue per 1,000 views. Common mistakes to avoid. Content mistakes. Using completely generic stock footage that doesn't match your narration. Creating videos under 3 minutes, limits monetization. Technical mistakes. Poor audio quality, viewers will leave immediately. Clickbait titles that don't deliver on promises. Not responding to early comments hurts algorithm performance. Business mistakes. Trying to monetize too early. Focus on value first. Ignoring audience feedback and preferences. 30-day action plan. Week 1, setup and planning. Set up all necessary tools and accounts. Create 30 video title ideas using AI. Week 2, content creation. Write and produce your first 4 videos. Plan your upload schedule. Week 3, launch and optimize. Upload your first 2 videos. Engage with early viewers and comments. Week 4, scale and systematize. Upload 2 more videos. Identify your best performing content types. Plan month 2 content calendar. Faceless YouTube automation is one of the smartest ways to earn online. The key is starting now and staying consistent. Most people will watch this video, get excited, but never take action. Don't be most people. Your homework. Choose your niche this week and create your first video using the tools mentioned. Subscribe to Internet Paydays and comment what niche you'd pick. I'll reply with 10 specific video title ideas to get you started, plus a content calendar template. Remember, every successful faceless channel started with video number 1. Your financial freedom is just 1 upload away. Let's build your passive income empire together.